How to change video resolution in CapCut. The issue is usually your resolution settings, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, open the CapCut app and go to your main New Video. Now, select the video you want to edit or create a new project, then tap on Add. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top right corner and tap on the Export icon. Before exporting, you'll see an option called AI UHD. Tap on it. Here you will see the resolution setting. This is where you control your video quality. You can choose from options like 480p, 720p, 1080p, or even higher depending on your device support. For best results, select 1080p for full HD quality. If you want smoother playback and smaller file size, 720p can also work. Next, adjust the frame rate if needed. 30 frames per second is standard, but 60 frames per second gives a smoother look for fast-moving videos. After selecting your settings, simply tap Export again, and CapCut will process your video in the chosen quality. And that's it! Your video is now exported in the best resolution for YouTube, Instagram, or any platform. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more quick CapCut editing tips.